Good morning, students. How are you? You must have listened and recited so many slogans, poems, and songs on water. Today, we are going to discuss about water. We all need water to be alive. We need water for various functions and activities. Let's start with uses of water. We use water for many purposes like drinking, washing, bathing, washing car, cooking, and plantation, etc. Now we shall discuss about the sources of water. Seas and oceans are large water bodies. Rivers are very important for us. This water is used by us in many ways. Rainwater is very much useful for all plants and animals. Children enjoy bathing in rain. Lake. People enjoy boating in lakes. Pond. It's a small water body. Tube well. Used for watering the crops. People enjoy taking a bath in summer. Well, we can see wells in some of the villages till now. Tap. All of us must have seen the tap. Now, identify the picture and answer how water is used in it.
Bathing, car washing, plantation.
Good. Water cycle. As you know, when water is heated, it is converted into water vapors. Water from seas, rivers, lakes and ponds evaporates by the heat of the sun. Vapors formed from water bodies rise in air and get converted into clouds. Clouds bring rain. Rainwater runs in form of streams and rivers from mountains and hills and reaches to sea. Rainwater gets collected in ponds and lakes. This continuous process is called water cycle. Dear students, saving water is very important. We can save water in various ways. We should turn off the tap immediately after using it. We should not waste water unnecessarily. We should not throw away wastewater. It can be reused for other purposes. For example, the water left over after washing clothes can be used in toilets. We should use a bucket and a mug instead of hose pipe while washing car or watering the plants. Now you have to pick out the correct option. Water falls on the earth as river, rain or stream.
Rain.
Good. Which is a natural source of water? River, tap or bucket?
River.
Right answer. Which can be used for storing the rainwater? Tank, drum, hand pump.
Tank.
Shabash. Now choose the odd one out. Bathing, river, cooking.
River.
Good. Cooking, ocean, river.
Cooking.
Shabash. Well, hand pump, mountain.
Mountain.
Good. state whether these are true or false. Rainwater is a major source of water.
True.
Water from sea is fit for drinking.
False.
We should not waste water.
True.
Water from lakes, rivers, and ponds should be boiled before drinking.
True.
We can drink dirty water.
False.
Drinking dirty water can make us sick.
True.
Excellent, Astha. Dear children, water is an essential commodity. Save water, save life. Thanks for watching.